Hello everyone. So we are again back in our live session series for ethical hacking and cyber security. So with second session of computer virus, right now I am with Nikunj Goel. So he is our senior technical trainer for ethical hacking and cyber security with 7+ years of experience. So he has already certified in ethical hacking and cyber security with multiple international certificates. So today he is the instructor and trainer for the live video session series. And in that, we'll start from the computer viruses. So without taking more time, let's start our second session to know about computer virus. And the topic name is how hacker can create the virus. So up to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Jagan. So let's start, guys. Our second session, how hacker can create virus. So just glimpse about the previous session that we learned what is a virus and how virus works. Lots of students also have confusion in that concept that what is virus and malware, whatever the wrong going in the computer. Mostly people saying that yeah, it's because of virus. So I explained that concept in the previous session that what is the virus and how it works. In that there's a different concept also with the malware I explained. But now let's focus on the virus and start this topic. So today I will show you the live practicals with that viruses, that how it will work. Okay. So see here, the first concept, as this is little bit critical topics. Okay. So you know that someone maybe misuse this. So this is warning from my side or from this institute that this video is for education purpose. Okay. In this, I am explaining that how hacker can create virus and how it is affected to the computer. In that case, this training or education, if you use for your personal use or something harmful for the public, that it is not responsible for me or this institute. So let's go forward. So you can see here, starting with the basic concept. As this concept, maybe you remember that we learn in the first our session also that we can use some bat file or some simple Windows command, and then with that command in the notepad, and that notepad we are convert into the .bat file, bat file. So it will create as a virus. Okay. So today I will show you that all practical live with the detail. Okay. So let's start. So see here, I'm opening the notepad, and for easy to use, no wasting extra time, I already ready this written concept in my other notepad. I just showing you in the live. So this start what do? If you remember, this start will automatically open the command. Okay. So let me show you here. I have virtual machine, obviously, that if by chance virus is harmful, affecting more. So I don't want that my physical computer effect or it will going to down. So I will show in the virtual machine. And here, notepad, I'm opening. And also I'm opening CMD. So you can see here, just a minute, let me increase the font so you can easily visible. Okay, perfect. So you can see if I type here start, so it will open another CMD, nothing else. Okay, and here if I typing start, again it will opening new CMD. Very simple concept. But suppose if someone use this start command with the loop, as previous session I explained you how can we create the loop. So what happened on that time? It will running multiple time, unlimited time, and command will open. So on that time, what happened? Our processor or RAM will affected. It will going to very busy or very buffer size on that RAM and processor. And people would say computer hang, my computer running slow. And that is we are going to learn in our first basic concept. So here, what I do, start. In this notepad, you know that if I write this simple start, what happen? It will only work as a simple text or character. Here also, let me just increase the size so you can easily understand. So you can see here start. And here if I write, it is simple work as a text file. So I already showed in the previous session that we can not directly save with the control S, but we are using save as. And in that concept, what we need to do, small changes here. Instead of txt file type, I will use the old files. And here I will give the name, let's say 123, or let's say virus1 v1. And here I will give the extension .bat file. Save. So here it is not here, just it is I saw in the document. So document, you can see here v1. Or for easy to understand, let me paste in the desktop. And if I click here, what happen, you can see it is working as a command and it is opening the CMD. Okay, so it is only one time because I write the start one time. And now I will not double click and open, but I will edit. And here what I do, I will use the loop concept. Here the setting is not apply of Notepad, so let me just close one time entire Notepad, and then I will open. Right click and edit. Okay, now that is you can see easily found. So here what I do, loop name. And loop name you can use with the colon. Any name you can give here. Let's say I will give any name. Whatever you can choose. Okay, but keep in mind that it will start with the colon and it is a case sensitive. And here I will use again go to command. The meaning itself you can understand. So here what happened, it will working as a command. As I told you, this is not a Notepad file. Here if we save as a .bat, so it will every line working as a command. If you know a little bit about networking or Cisco, then also we can write the command in the Notepad and we'll copy or paste in the our router IOS, it will work as a command. So same thing here, if any Notepad character I want to work as a command, I will save as a .bat file. So this is every one line, single different command. And now what happened, it will go step by step. So it will find that it is a group name. Okay, group name, or let's say loop name. In that they found the start command. Okay, so it will go step by step. Then again what, go to the any name. So again it will come here. Again it will start. Again go to. Again it will jump here. It will not finish the file because here in this file what happened, that again go to the any name. So it is become a loop. And so what happened, it will keep opening. So here for showing you, I will use here pause keyword. So it will wait for my input because I want to show you here. I don't want that this computer will going to hang and we are not able to finish our video. So what I do, I will use here pause keyword. Pause keyword, what happened? You can see in the command. If I type pause here, it will wait. That press any key, and you see this kind of concept many times, multiple times while you installing any software, or let's say first time when you find the booting concept, press any key to continue. So here it is waiting until and unless if I not press any key, it will not going forward. So this is the back end of Windows concept we need to understand. Okay, so here now that pause I will open. So now what happened, you can see small changes. That start the group name, then it will start the command, and then it will pause. It will wait for my input, and then again go to here, again start. So here I can able to control this virus, so I'm using pause. What hacker do? Hacker don't use this pause. Hacker directly use this, and this loop keep running, and what happen? Your computer going to hang. Okay. So here pause, and then again I will save this. Now you can save with Control S because you already saved this file with the .bat. And now let me double click. It will open. You can see if I close this, here I found press any key. Any key if I press, again it will open any CMD. Okay, you can see. Again press any key. I'm not able to get out here. And here this command, you can see that what is happening. I can also show you that you can stop that. So I hope you understand this. So let me close this. And edit. What I do here, I will start this line with the @echo op. Normally the meaning of echo, it is print, that whatever text you are written, it will print. Here in the Windows, echo, that means for the print. Okay, and what I do here, echo op. That means whatever command I am written here, it will invisible. They will not show. Now again save and running. So you can see it will opening. Let me close this. So you can see not find anything, only press any key. If I press any key, again the process running in background, and it will again showing the press any key, and you will find that new window will open and it will keep running. Okay. And now you see, if I remove this pause keyword from that file, so what happened? They will not show me that press any key to continue, and it will keep running and my computer going to hang. So I hope you can understand. So I will not try here with the pause. You can try at your home in your virtual machine, but be careful that if you are doing in the virtual machine, then okay. Otherwise, physically it will harm your hardware, RAM and processor, because it is loading on the processor. Okay. And the second thing, also in the virtual machine, that ready to shut down forcefully from the outside, whatever you are using, VirtualBox or VMware, then it can use. Okay. So let's don't show this. Now, second thing you can see here, normal start. I told you first simple trick, and the second trick you can see here, dangerous or harmful or be safe. I already warned you. Then here you can use this. Here I'm only showing you start. Otherwise, in previous session I already showed you that if you use start keyword with any website, so it will open the browser. And in your computer, whenever you want to access internet, you are using your browser. Okay. If I'm talking to any programmer, coder, then they are using some internet or downloading concept with the command also, like wget command in the Linux or Ubuntu kind of concept. But mostly, if you want to use any internet concept in the computer, you are using browser. And browser is taking lots of load in the RAM when they are opening. Let me show you here also. Let's say task manager. Right now you can see my performance. CPU is this way. Okay, and RAM you can see right now 10 GB is using. So again come to your 27% to 32%, you can see. Now let me open the Chrome and you can see the effect. I'm just opening, I'm not doing anything, but you can see for that frequency of second effect. Now if I search here something else, whatever, let's say Google Maps. So you can see again process. Okay, now this is, I'm just showing the effect that if you are able to do lots of process in your computer automatic, not in your computer, but other computer, like if I'm talking as a hacker, then it is harmful for your hardware. So this is first simple example like this. You can see start or the second trick with this echo off or start with that concept. Okay, here I use the name auto CMD. In our reticle, I'm using any name. You can use any name. Okay, but the thing is, it is case sensitive, need to match and start with colon. Now let's see a little bit high level concept. So you can see here task killing virus. Till now what I run, what we run, that creating something. Now here it is understand. Sometimes what happen, because of these, some hardware guys, or let's say that network engineer, hardware troubleshooter will earning lots of money if they found this kind of error, because it's solution very easy. But let me show you here. So in this case, what I do, edit, instead of this echo off, I will keep it. But instead of this, I'm using this task kill. Okay. In that, you can see here what we are using as example. -F for the forcefully and -IM, it is other option. So use this, it is related to this explorer.exe. If you understand in our concept, so this is our file explorer. Mostly all the concept will like storage and everything running with this. And that way, window explorer, internet explorer. So you heard that kind of word multiple times. And that explorer are main concept to handle this Windows graphically. So let me show you again. So here, explorer.exe, as you also know the second option, that Windows mostly use that explorer.exe. So here -F for the forcefully and -IM, that option related to Explorer. .exe. So again, this is simple command you can run in the CMD also. But by chance, anyone use this file with the .bat, okay? And if you click that, what happened? Let me show you. Here I will show you live. So save this and close. Again, this file. If I double click, see that your entire computer gone. No any screen, no wallpaper. Even I can use my keyboard. If you heard my voice or keyboard voice, I can do anything, mouse, keyboard, anything. Nothing will work. Entire thing gone, because that is the main Explorer file which is handling that Windows. So by chance, sometime this kind of small 1 or 2 line code, if anyone put in that file, either video file, PDF, Excel, whatever the extra file which you are downloading from internet, which is unsecure. Okay, means unsecure in the sense, if you're downloading from official website, official curriculum, that there is no issue. But if you're downloading free, crack, so in that, this kind of extra code added, and you don't know what is that. And by chance, if you open, like let's say movie you are downloading free and you open, so this kind of virus will affect in the background. Here you cannot do anything. Okay, here the simple solution, you can restart. But again, let's say if something your imported work running, then you not do able to restart. Or let's say if I talk on single computer, single user, then you can easily restart your computer. But let's say, what about the server? Let's say any company server, any website server, it's not like that it is back then you can do restart, because that kind of server will take lots of minutes to restart. And when that server is restarting, it's not like that website is going to down. No one can like that my web server is off and website is going down. So it is affecting high level also. It is small line code, but it is affecting high level. So the second concept, or let's say legal solution, is what? You can able to open the task manager. Here it is virtual machine. So I will use this import, and here you can see Control Alt Delete. Okay. In real scenario, you need to press from the keyboard Control Alt Delete, and you need to go to the task manager. So you can see it is running. Otherwise, no any single other option you can able to run. Okay, and here, let me open full screen. And here what you need to do, file and run a new task. You need to run manually new task. As this is a ethical hacking and cybersecurity session, so I will also show you the counter measure. Not only creating virus, but how you can tackle from it or you can recover from it. And here you need to type that name, explorer.exe. Because this file is by default, so not sorry by default, but it is affected from that virus. And it is not like that, sir, how we can know that which file is affected. So this is I'm showing for this. That's why I show that if you see this kind of effect, everything gone, then it is most probably Explorer. But let's say your computer running and some particular thing not running. So for that, you need to run that exe file. Let's say if you install the Google Chrome, so you found that Chrome.exe, lots of whatever the software you install, that exe you found. And okay. It will take few seconds as entire process will start in background. But it is the better option compared to restart. So now you can see your computer is coming back. Okay. So this kind of small concept will become dangerous if you are not aware. And that's why lots of hackers are able to hack easily. Not it's every time virus is for hacking, but most probably time virus is for harmful the computer. And that concept I already explained in the previous session. Then you can see here, if you want to create multiple directory, creating that directory. So that I already explained in the previous session, but here just the new version. Just I will explain here. You can see echo off so that no one can see that command, and then cd command that go to this document and setting. Here, this is little bit interesting. What is that? So you can see this concept simple. I can also able to show here in our manual PC, physical PC. So you can see here cd I'm going to one step back and another step back. Right now I'm in the C drive. And here I told you the command dir for showing the list. In Linux, it is a ls command for list showing. So you can see here. In this, we have Intel, preflog, program files, 86, Python, users and Windows, this kind of folder. And you can see the graphically also in the C drive, we have this. Let me hide that hidden folder. So you can see this we have. Intel, preflog, program file, Python, user and Windows. Okay. Now, here you not find this kind of name, document and settings. You can see here document and setting in the C drive. Okay. You can see here command line also dir, or you can see here also, even you can see the hidden folder. You can click here. So you can see the hidden item. So other some extra folder you can see, which is the hidden, but not find that name, document and setting. And what is the interesting thing? You can see if I run here this command cd documents and settings. So you can see I am in that place, that location. This is again used by Windows, some backend system process, lots of user setting is here, document setting is here. So directly, indirectly here, you can easily able to reach any user directory. Sometime what happened, permission issue. Let's say I'm in the C drive, then users, and then user, I want to see the username. And lots of students confused, sir, how we can know the username? So here for that, we have another option. Let's say you don't know any username. Okay. Or let's say, let me make it easy more, that you want to apply virus on some other computer, and for that you need to apply in the desktop or let's say document or any other drive, but you don't know the username. So through the command, you are not able to reach that path. And for that, what I do here, I will use percentage username percentage. Okay. So in this case, what happens? This command automatically find the computer username, and according that they will go inside. So you can see what I type username, but I don't know username, but automatically I put here, I get either in the ng-lab. So you can see here, this is ng-lab, and here I have my old data, and you can click here also the username, you can see ng-lab. So this is how you can reach any computer with this command. That first command cd document and setting, second command here. So you can see now easily you can understand document and setting, then username, and then desktop. And I have told you in the previous session that whatever the extra virus or creating folder, if you apply on the desktop, it will affect more. Okay. Then you can see shutdown virus. Lots of time you found that when I click that file, my computer going down, shut down, or let's say restart. So it is very easy. Right click, edit, not sorry, open, my mistake. Okay. That virus affected. When you know, you will get, sorry, it is very easy. Obviously, when you don't know, it is become hard. When you know, it is become easy. So edit. And here, shut down. And here, in the shutdown, we have multiple options. So I need to use /s. That in shutdown, again, I want to use the option shutdown. If you use R, it will for restart. S for shutdown. So it will directly shut down, but by default, this command will give a chance for the 60 seconds. Okay, that after 60 seconds, it will shut down. If you want that on the spot shutdown, whenever user click, the computer going down. So I will use T and T for the time, and let's put the 0 for the 0 second. Okay, and suppose you want to spread the fear, and that's why you want to show some message, and after showing that message, it will going to down. Then what I do, before this, I will use -C for the comment. Okay, and comment you can use for the any message. So let's say, yeah, let's say, ha ha ha. I am hacker and your computer is hacked. Keep in mind that this quotation, because whenever you're using space in command line, you know that it will change the effect. So if you don't want to count this space, so you can use the quotation and then timer. And if you are using message that don't use timer 0, obviously on the spot computer off, then how user can read the message, how your fear will spread. So let me put here 20 seconds and save this, close. If I run this, so it will running in background. You can see Windows notification. Haha, I am a hacker. Your computer is hacked. Whatever that spelling up and down, you can make easily. But you can see the notification. It is official Windows notification you found. Not like any simple message or pop-up. Simple official notification. And within a few seconds, you can see it is down. I'm not doing anything. Because of that, it is going down. Okay. So it is, till now I'm showing you simple, that kind of virus which is harmless, not harmful. But now you can see deleting imported data in OS. So that thing you just need to understand. If I show you here what happened, my computer also going crash. I can show you, there is no issue. But after that, what happened? Next topic I'm not able to show you because computer crash. So you can understand here, this all del for the delete. And I'm going to delete C program files, users in the Windows System 32, document and setting, which I just show you. And you can see I'm putting some message echo. I told you that echo for the printing. So your computer have a virus, it is deleting your file because you are a victim. By the way, I am Nikun Goyal. If you want to solution, you can follow me. This kind of message I'm putting on the Instagram, Nikun Goyal 01. This kind of whatever message, it is your choice. Okay. And echo, now it's time to go. After this, you can see, I put this message. Sorry, I put this command. That same. Shut down, dash s. Here you can use slash also, dash also. Then 10 seconds and say goodbye to your computer. What happened? This whole file will delete it. And next time when user try to open that computer, they will not find this kind of file and their computer will not open. So this virus you can try, but in virtual machine, in your virtual machine, not any other, just for practice, for learning. Okay. As I already showed you the warning also in the beginning of session. Then again, you can see this is, I think, repeating. No, not repeating, but it is again dangerous virus. Like this long coding, you don't know what to do. Lots of command. Then it is shortcut. That same command, but with new version. So you can see loop start. Here I'm using the loop name, loop start, and here again go to loop start. But you can see here I'm using capital, so here capital. And you can see start. So it will start the CMD. Then start www.google.com. So it will start the website. That means they need to open the browser. Then delete. You can see every time what happens. C drive imported. As I show you that document and setting, that kind of this folder also. That document and setting is there. And star dot star, that means what happened? Any file, any name. Okay. So here what going to happen? One time command open, one time browser open, one file delete. And loop is going. Again command open, again browser open, again one file delete. So load is increasing and one by one data is deleting slowly, and computer going to crash. So that kind of lots of thing is there. You can see here. This is other prank and virus. You can try this at your home. Again, lots of things. Again, you know that there are tons of virus. Everything not possible to show you here. Lots of things. It is again about your logic. Then this, again, information gathering. I already showed the code, so you can do the practice. Okay. So this is from my side for this. Next session, we're going to learn that how we can put the virus in any computer. That means how hacker can put the virus in your computer. In that case, what happened? Till now, we learned first session that how virus work, what it is the virus, what different kind of other terms, malware on that things. Today, we learn how we can create the virus. And next session, we are going to learn that how we are able to put that virus in any other victim or computer. So stay tuned. This is Nikun Goyal signing off.